Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate images using completely free AI tools. So let's get started. Generate images with Gemini. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Log in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see a chat box on the homepage. This is where you'll type your image prompt. You can write something like, a peaceful Japanese garden at sunrise. Detailed cinematic lighting. Gemini will instantly generate several image options based on your description. Choose the one you like, click on it, and download it, completely free. And that's how you generate free images using Gemini. Generate images with ChatGPT. Now, open chat.openai.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, simply type your prompt. For example, a futuristic robot chef cooking noodles in a neon kitchen. Ultra-detailed, sci-fi style. ChatGPT will create your image in just a few seconds. Click the download button to save it to your device. That's how you can generate free images using ChatGPT. And that's it. Now you know how to create high-quality, stunning images for free using both Gemini and ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.